Hello guys, welcome to Code Tally YouTube channel. This is our second video. In this video, we are going to see how we can add the parentheses to the string. Okay, this is actually the real-time issue, one of the defect I have found, and that we are going to discuss here. So let's say like this is our input string and we need to add the parenthesis to the last character here, something like this. Okay, so let's get into the real-time issue that I found. Okay, so this is into the banking side, guys. So into the loan side, so what that report is doing is, so this is for the surety one, so there would be multiple persons who is going to give the surety. So in order to differentiate one person to other person, they wanted to add this parenthesis. So usually what happens is something like this will be the data. So here what they requested is, for this I wanted to have this kind of data onto the report. This will come from the DB for me in the actual scenario, and this will be I am going to print onto the report. So this part is actually a string here, and what we are going to do is we are going to use substring concept and we are going to add these two parentheses. So let's get into the video, guys, directly to the program here. Let me create a class here. So add parentheses. Okay, so let's say like I have a string something like this, str as gs20 s1. Okay, this is my input string. Here what we'll do is, let's select another string like output string as here str dot substring I am going to use. If you see in the substring, you have begin index, begin end index like this. So I am using this second one here. Here begin index is from the beginning because I only want to add in the end, right? So this is from the beginning and I only want till s, right? So how do I know that? Simply get the length of the string and do -1 so that you know the last before character, right? So length is nothing but str dot length -1 here. Okay, then you add the parenthesis here, something like this, then the remaining string, that is 1 here till here. Till here is been handled here, 0 to length -1, and I have started the parenthesis. Then the remaining part is something like this, substring again, and it is going to start from length -1 to the length, right? And here I'll add the closing parenthesis, and let's print this. Now you could see this, right? This is my input and this is my output. Likewise, you can add this parenthesis anywhere you want it. If I want to add to the second last but second character, I can do something like this. Okay, so anywhere you want to add, you can do like this, guys. So I hope this video is informative for you guys. If you found it useful, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.